Hey there, folks. This is Schmidty's Kettle Corn today. We're actually going to be doing a new flavor today. We're going to be trying to make a birthday cake. I ordered this from Gold Medal on Kettle. This came in the mail, and this is actually, if you see here, it comes in a smaller container like the salt and vinegar flavors as well. Actually, the nice thing about this is that when you first actually open it up, it actually smells just like birthday cake. And I actually got some sprinkles too as well. So we're going to try to as well. As soon as we're done dumping the kettle corn, we're going to watch some videos. I actually saw some videos from Popcorn Genius. He's another channel who has a smaller kettle. I saw some people actually throw some of this in there as well as throw some on it after. We're going to get a bag, throw it in there right away, warm, and then we're going to throw the sprinkles on it to get the color out. And our special this week will be birthday cake. Let's get it going today, guys. This is Schmidty's Kettle Corn. Let's get it going. We're going to do a normal batch of kettle corn, but with no salt. And actually, you know what? Let's do a little bit of salt, and then we will do the birthday cake. And then maybe that salt will get a little bit of kick. And we'll do a little bit of debate about whether or not to do salt here as we cook. All right, guys. This is Schmidty's Kettle Corn. Let's get it going. So here is actually where I actually started throwing in the sugar, just like normal kettle corn, and I throw in about a quarter cup of the cake seasoning, and I throw it right in the kettle. And I actually decided to not pour it over the popcorn when it was already made, and it came out just fine. And when I was cooking actually the popcorn and I dumped it, I threw the sprinkles in there to actually melt the sprinkles to make it colorful, and it came out just fine. So here I put about a quarter cup of the birthday cake mix, dumped it right in. There we go. And I also threw some sprinkles in there as well when I was cooking, and then it came out perfectly fine to where I didn't need to add any more flavoring. And then you smell it actually right away when you're starting to cook it. So then when you're done popping it and you dump it, then you don't have to worry about adding more flavoring as well. So that's perfectly amount. The kids loved it. The kids loved the colors, and that's all you needed, folks. Smell it right away. Nope. Was that me or you? Well, there you have it, folks. This is Schmidty's Kettle Corn here. This is a birthday cake recipe. It came out pretty good. We are just determining if the sprinkles actually melt on it after, and it's still pretty warm. I actually decided to not put any salt on it, and I even decided to not actually add more flavoring on it. The vanilla or the cake batter cooked perfectly fine in the actual kettle itself, and I didn't need to add any other flavoring on afterwards. And this is Schmidty's Kettle Corn, guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for following. This is Schmidty's Kettle Corn.